Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature allows you to project your business's financial future based on historical data, helping you plan ahead with confidence and make informed decisions about growth and spending. To get started, head over to the left navigation panel in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is where you'll find all the major tools and features for managing your finances. From there, click on Financial Planning. This section is specifically designed for strategic financial management and gives you access to powerful planning tools that go beyond day-to-day bookkeeping. Once you're in financial planning, select Forecasts. This is where all your forecast models live, and it's the hub for creating new projections. Now click the Create Forecast button to begin building a new forecast from scratch. The first decision you'll need to make is selecting your time frame. From the Forecast For dropdown, choose how far into the future you want to project. You can forecast for the rest of the current year or extend your projection up to 3 years ahead, depending on your planning needs. This flexibility is especially useful if you're preparing for long-term growth or seasonal changes. Next, you'll decide how QuickBooks should build your forecast. From the Forecast Using dropdown, select the method that makes the most sense for your business. You can choose Average of Actuals, which lets QuickBooks analyze the past 3, 6, 9, or 12 months of actual financial data and use that as a baseline. Alternatively, you can select Actuals from last FY, which uses your entire previous fiscal year as the foundation for your projection. If you want to factor in growth or account for a decline, you can type a percentage in the field provided. This will increase or decrease all amounts in the forecast proportionally, giving you a quick way to model different scenarios without manually adjusting every line item. Once you've made your selections, click Next. QuickBooks will generate a detailed monthly forecast projection that breaks down income, cost of goods sold, and expenses. This gives you a comprehensive view of what your financials might look like in the months ahead. Take some time to review the projection. If you need to fine-tune any numbers, you can manually adjust forecasted amounts by selecting the specific account and month you want to edit. This is helpful if you know certain expenses or revenue streams will change in ways the algorithm can't predict. You also have the option to rename your forecast by typing a custom name in the Forecast Name field. This makes it easier to organize and compare multiple forecasts over time. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finalize your forecast. You now have a working financial projection that you can revisit and adjust as your business evolves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.